Hi. Okay, so my box from Susie, Sue Annunziata, D2D, Denim to Diamonds, live jewelry auctions. So we're gonna open this up. Always the best boxes from Susie. So let's see what we've got here. Look at this. It's a nice one. It's always nice when it comes from Sue. And I've been getting boxes from Sue for more than 2 years. So I'm almost an expert on knowing that she sends the best stuff. Let's see how we can do this here. Okay, here we go. There's a lot of sun today, which is why I wanted to do this, because there's light in here. This apartment is always so dark because there's no lights in the main space except for the lamps that I have. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, this is sterling. Oh, it's Taxco sterling. So it's hard to see. Okay. It's a bicycle. It's fantastic. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this chain. So I have a thing for chains, especially sterling ones. And look at this with the puffy heart. It's fantastic. Look at these links. Wow. Wow, beautiful. What is this? Look at the links on this one. Oh my goodness. This is a choker style, and it's a piece of glass. It's like a piece of like sea glass. Like it feels sandy right here. Look at the chain on it though. It's so great. Oh, that is so great. Okay. Oh. This must be a little surprise. Oh, this is adorable. It's a magnifier. Yay. And what is this? Oh, a little measuring tape. Oh, I love that. And it's pink. And a little polishing cloth. Thank you. That's so great. Thank you. I love it. I love it. Perfect. What is this? Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is lovely. So I love these. Yeah, this is J. Crew, but this is vintage J. Crew, like from the 90s. It's just simple and lovely in gold tone, and it has the old clasp. Oh, it's really pretty. Fantastic. I don't leave the vintage J. Crew behind because it's quality jewelry, and you can tell. Oh, look at this, 1928. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's my style with the dangles. Oh, it's lovely. This is lovely. So how perfect are those? Carol Doplay's right on the card. Old stock. But just perfect pearl clip-ons. I can't wear pierced earrings anymore. Very exciting. Okay, what do we got here? What is this? What is, oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my gosh, look at this lariat. Like, really? It's too gorgeous. Beautiful silver tone. And you just loop it over and wear it. It's fantastic. The silver tone is so good. Can you see that? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Oh, look at this. Look at this snake chain. Look at the snake chain on this with the two hooks at the end. Of course I bought it. It has a bee on it. Unless Susie just sent it to me because it has a bee on it, and she knows I love chains. Sue is, she's like a bartender. She knows what you like. Love that, love that. Silver tone, just the really good plate. Nice, lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, this is lovely. What is this? This is plastic, but it is old. This is like, look at that. This is like an early plastic. Look at these, look at the lucite pieces on that. With the faux pearls. Beautiful. There's more, there's more. Oh, okay, I get it. This is why. Because these two also, lucite? I think so. But look at these two together. That's why. That's really great. That's really great. Oh, I'm a sucker for the good gold tone. I really am. Especially, I love this. Okay, I don't think you can tell if it's because the light in here is just so weird. But this is really, really good gold plate. it's not marked, but it's so wearable. It's so in right now. Okay. What a great haul, Susie. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So look at these little, okay, so I'm loving right now these little brooches. And oh, she's perfect. Oh, you can't see. It's a fairy brooch. Well, and then this little mum. So loving these little lapel brooches right now. So cute. Oh, and I love this fairy, and this is a little mother of pearl that she's got. So cute. And there's more, and there's more, and there's more. Oh, look. Oh, look at these. Oh, how do you resist this beautiful strand? That's lovely. Those are lucite also. Look at the shine on them though. Look at the way they catch the light. Those are beautiful. Ooh, what is this? Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is old. These are old. Wow. And they have dangles. Look at that strand. It's actually a 4-strand. Also lucite or plastic, early plastic. I would say this is early plastic. But just a fantastic. There's greens and golds and silver, bronze. Lovely strand. Look at the I don't know if you can see that, the metal. There you go. The metal. Those cast metal findings. Those are old. Let's see. What does it say? We will have to look up that mark. And there's still more. This is the rest of it right here. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What? This is crazy. So this is earrings. Wait a minute. Do you see the red feathers? Wait, oh no, that's the hook. What is this? How do you do it? Oh no, these are earrings. Oh my gosh. These are earrings. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Okay, someone is going to need these. It's me. I need them. Oh, look at them. They're fantastic. Oh, we'll have to put those in a special place so that the feathers can straighten out on those. Yes, yes, yes. They're amazing. Okay, so here's gold tone Panther Link. It's got an elephant on the front. And just like stamped metal. It's hard to tell in this lighting, but that is gold tone, and that is a silver and gold elephant there. So this is a collar necklace. Beautiful, beautiful. And last but not least, these are some lucite, or they could be horn, but it feels like lucite. Yeah, these are lucite. But look how straight from your mom's dresser drawer in the 70s. I don't know. These could be, what do you think? These could be horn, or because there's definitely tiger's eye in there. That's definitely tiger's eye. So this is a lovely vintage, just great boho piece, and that's the end. Except, thank you, Sue. Always the best boxes from you.